Naoya Monster Inoue itinanghal bilang Japanese Fighter of the Year 2025 ng Japanese Boxing Commission and the Sports Writers Club sa kanilang annual award ceremony na ginanap sa Tokyo Dome Hotel itong nakaraang Martes. Si Inoue ang pinakasikat na boxer sa Japan at siyang pinaka-legend, siyang pinaka-maraming accomplishment. At pangalawa sa kanya, si Junto Nakatani. So dahil sa kanyang napaka-successful na title defenses last year, Inoue deserved the award to become the Japanese Fighter of 2025. So fast forward na this time may planong gagawin ang napaka-inaabangang laban between Naoya Monster Inoue versus sa kanyang kapwang Japanese na also na magiging Japanese legend na si Junto Nakatani. Probably the fight is going to happen in May of 2026. So matatandaan natin na last year na nagkaharap si Inoue at Nakatani at nangako ang dalawa na maglalaban sila this year of 2026. So Inoue really deserved the award because yung kanyang title defenses last year napaka-successful. 4 na beses siyang lumaban. Noong January of 2025, tinalo niya ang Koreano na si Ji-Jun Kim by a 4th round knockout. And then, noong April of 2025, pinatumba ni Inoue ang Mexican-American na si Ramon Cardenas by a technical knockout round number 8. At bumalik si Inoue sa Amerika nung laban na yun. And then sa kanyang pangatlong laban last year, this was around September, tinalo niya ang former champion na si Murodjon Akhmadaliev by a 12-round unanimous decision. And then itong December 27 sa Saudi, tinalo ni Inoue ang Meksikano na si Alan David Picasso by a unanimous decision. Si Inoue din ang number 2 pound for pound fighter ng The Ring magazine. So Inoue really deserves the award to become the Japanese Fighter of the Year 2025.